Welcome to this tutorial on why Use EveryDollar Budgeting, a comprehensive guide to help you manage your finances effectively. EveryDollar is a budgeting tool that helps you track your income and expenses, making it easier to stay on top of your financial situation. To start, let's define what budgeting means. Budgeting is the process of creating a plan for how you want to allocate your money towards different expenses, savings, and debt repayment. It's essential to have a budget in place to ensure you're making the most of your hard-earned money. Now, let's talk about why you should use EveryDollar for budgeting. EveryDollar is a free budgeting tool that allows you to create a personalized budget based on your income and expenses. It's easy to use and provides a clear picture of where your money is going. With EveryDollar, you can set financial goals, such as saving for an emergency fund or paying off debt, and track your progress. Here's how to get started with EveryDollar. First, sign up for an account and link your bank accounts to the platform. This will allow you to track your income and expenses automatically. Next, set up your budget by categorizing your expenses into different groups, such as housing, transportation, and food. You can also set financial goals and track your progress. One of the key benefits of using EveryDollar is that it helps you prioritize your spending. By tracking your income and expenses, you can see where your money is going and make adjustments as needed. For example, if you notice that you're spending too much on dining out, you can cut back and allocate that money towards more important expenses, such as saving for retirement. Another benefit of using EveryDollar is that it helps you avoid overspending. By setting a budget and tracking your expenses, you can avoid going over budget and accumulating debt. This can help you build credit and achieve long-term financial stability. In addition to these benefits, EveryDollar also provides a range of features to help you manage your finances, including investment tracking, bill tracking, and financial goal setting. It also offers a range of educational resources, including articles, videos, and webinars, to help you improve your financial knowledge. In conclusion, using EveryDollar for budgeting can help you take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. By tracking your income and expenses, setting financial goals, and prioritizing your spending, you can build a stronger financial future. With its ease of use, range of features, and educational resources, EveryDollar is an excellent choice for anyone looking to manage their finances effectively.